This few days I noticed that there are some weird sound, some squeaking on some friction is going here at the front part, but I cannot locate it. So I asked someone and he told me that the brake pads is touching this brake disc. So I was told to go to the mechanic and have this adjusted. Isang doon okay na to. Doon okay na kagapon, okay start ya. So sang way best ba hard start sa gapon. Pero ang kan ko suhong padjust ko di daw ang brake pad. Do gaigot la.
Saya sentet sampai ya. Ba diri mo.
Ha? Guba?
Bao. Kamu na gawin siya? Bili mo guba?
Muna ya? Di mga pilao na be?
120. Biring na. Gama mo na so. Kamu na agasagod. Agasagod. Wala. Ya, mamo na yung mga pinahin na. Isa lang?
Isa lang?
Isa lang.
So we need to change the or one of the bearings.
Kaya wala man.
Tingin ko sa basibla sa mga plastic wala. Yawan ko pangita. Oo. Pero may nagaguba. Pero may nagaguba. Muna eh. So we just changed one of the bearings at the front wheel, and yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, I think the still there. Yeah, this is still there. Let's go back. Go back there. Let's go back to the mechanic. Because I just paid 150 and my money is only 300, so yeah, it is no longer there. Okay, I actually came back and I fixed the brake pads. He found out that the one of the parts there were placed invertedly, so it was not placed correctly, and that is why it did not function properly. It is okay now.